Hey guys, welcome back to another Lightroom tutorial. This is Nick, and today we are going to make this black and gold tone. This is going to be a free Lightroom mobile preset and a free Lightroom CC preset. The goal here is to make the skin tone gold. In order to do that, we're going to play around with only two colors, that is the yellow and the orange colors. Now for the background, we are going to make it dark, so the dominant color is green. I'm going to make that dark, so stick around as I'll show you how to do that. So by the way, my model is Queenie. If you want to follow her on Instagram, the link is right below so that you can follow her. I think this is all good. Now let me just do minor adjustments and corrections for this one so that we can get going and apply this to our next photos. Once you've done all of your adjustments, you can now apply it to your other photos. Just hit copy and bam, apply. So that was it, guys. I hope you liked this video. If you do, please hit that like icon, and if you want more presets or download these presets, you can hit that subscribe button below, and please push that bell icon to get notified whenever I post another video. The photos are going to be posted on my Instagram page, so please do follow us there on Instagram. That's Photo Challenger, that's a double R. Thank you so much. Once again, this is Nick. Bye bye.